Tantalizing tastes of Jordan, exploring the kingdom's authentic culinary delights and cultural food tradition. A country's cuisine often serves as an expression of its history, culture, and regional identity, and Jordan's vibrant and diverse food traditions reflect its rich cultural tapestry with mouth-watering flair. From the soul-warming spices and aromatic scents that permeate its bustling markets, to the communal dining experiences and cherished family recipes that remain close to its heart, Jordan's culinary landscape calls out to the curious traveler and dedicated foodie alike, offering an unforgettable exploration of flavors, stories, and shared passions. Experience firsthand the joys of Jordanian hospitality as you dine within local homes, show off your skills in immersive cooking classes, and uncover the secrets of regional dishes through hands-on explorations of bustling markets and quaint spice shops. Journey into the world of Jordan's culinary traditions and savor the chance to forge meaningful connections with the land, its people, and the deeply rooted food culture that exemplifies this enchanting kingdom. 1. Mansaf, the pinnacle of Jordanian hospitality and culinary pride. Feast upon the flavors of Jordan's most iconic dish, Mansaf, a delectable testament to Jordanian hospitality and a proud showcase of the nation's culinary prowess. A Bedouin legacy? Experience the time-honored tradition of Mansaf, a dish born from the nomadic Bedouin culture, renowned for its communal dining rituals and authentic ingredients. Savor the mouth-watering combination of tender lamb, aromatic rice, and tangy jamid, a fermented yogurt that lends this much-celebrated dish its distinctive flavor. Cooking classes. Immerse yourself in the art of Mansaf preparation by participating in a traditional Jordanian cooking class, learning the secrets of this beloved dish from the skilled hands of local chefs and home cooks. 2. Street eats, delicacies from the heart of the city. Venture beyond the realm of restaurants and uncover the diverse and delectable world of Jordanian street food, prepared with passion and a touch of local flair. Falafel and shawarma. Delight in the lively flavors and satisfying textures of Jordan's quintessential street food heroes, falafel and shawarma. Succumb to the irresistible allure of these portable delights, filled with sumptuous meats, vibrant vegetables, and tangy sauces. Local markets. Explore the vibrant heart of Jordan's culinary scene and sample its freshest offerings at bustling city markets, such as Amman's Hashem restaurant and Souk Jarrah. Socialize with locals, indulge in sumptuous treats, and embrace the vibrant energy of communal dining. 3. Jordan's sweet indulgences, a world of sugary delights. Savor the outer-worldly flavors of Jordan's most cherished sweet treats, indulging in a mouth-watering exploration of the kingdom's finest dessert offerings. Nafa. Surrender to the seductive charm of nafa, a luscious dessert composed of a gooey cheese base, topped with a layer of crispy phyllo pastry and generous drizzles of fragrant sugar syrup. Relish the heavenly marriage of sweet and savory with each sumptuous bite, and indulge in this exquisite offering from the Jordanian dessert repertoire. Baklava. Delight in the intricate layers and delectable sweetness of baklava, a beloved dessert crafted from finely shredded phyllo dough, an assortment of crushed nuts, and luscious syrup or honey. 4. Cooking with history. Quenching your thirst the Jordanian way. Nourish your parched palate with the refreshing notes of Jordan's traditional beverages, delving deep into the history and unique flavors that define the nation's liquid legacy. Arabic coffee. Discover the enticing world of freshly brewed Arabic coffee, a cherished symbol of Jordanian hospitality and an invitation to forge lasting connections. Sugarcane juice. Quench your thirst with the invigorating sweetness of freshly pressed sugarcane juice, a popular summertime beverage and staple of Jordanian street vendors. Embrace the cooling sensation of this natural elixir, reminiscent of the warm golden days of Jordan's endless summer. Conclusion. Embark on a flavorful journey through the rich culinary landscape of Jordan, delving into the kingdom's diverse gastronomic traditions and discovering the authentic tastes that continue to shape its cultural identity. From the intimate domains of the family dinner table to the bustling energy of street food scenes, a world of delectable delights beckons, inviting you to embrace the vibrant and varied flavors that define the heart of this enchanting destination. Tours Store is your way to go and find amazing experiences, deals around the world all year round. You offer amazing experiences and tours, or you are a tour company. With Tour Store, you can show your tours to billions of people online to book your tours. What are you waiting for? Go to tourstore.com to find out more.